Emmanuel. How are you?
Thank you. Sir, let me not waste your time. Please, when you arrive at your office today, look under your chair before sitting. Your enemies are at work to destroy you.
I should look under my chair before sitting?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Thank you. Emmanuel said is true. I see. Let me see what it said. I see exactly what my enemies are up to.
Of false prophets in the last days.
The same Bible says a house divided against itself cannot stand. How can one evil sack another evil? How can one evil remove another evil? If Ima is evil, he cannot take out the evil in the little girl.
You believe in this boy? Me, I don't believe him one bit. I don't believe him. Hey! Achia! Who is he to believe? Huh? I don't believe him one bit.
That's your problem. That's definitely your problem. What the hell is wrong with you?
Oh, come on, Dad. Relax.
I pick my money from the gutter or from the street?
Oh, Dad. You weren't supposed to, just shower.
Shut up!
Oh.
Eh?
Come on, Dad. Dad.
Come on. Look at your terminal report. You couldn't even score 40%.
Oh.
Damn!
If Dad, then I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Just forget about it. I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. It is your future we are talking about here, not mine.
I know, Dad. But just relax. Why are you yelling like that? Come on.
Can you look? If I'm talking to you, better keep quiet and listen.
Oh, come on, Dad. Why?
You disappointed me. Definitely, you took after your mother. Because I was a very brilliant student in my days. And I am still a brilliant businessman. What? Huh?
That was back at the days. That was your time. You know we are in a computer world. This time you do whatever you feel like doing.
Yes,
I got you, Dad.
Yes, Emmanuel. Thank you, Emmanuel. Can you believe it?
No, come on, Dad. You ain't supposed to show it to this boy. He's only just a little boy.
Sir, please,
Come on.
the Lord revealed to me that your son is on drugs.
Hey.
Eh? My son is on drugs.
Dad, it's not true. Eh?
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes, he smokes marijuana, and you know how slow it makes one to think.
Dad.
That has been
Shut up, Dad.
Yes.
that is what has been affecting his ability to think fast.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Dad, it's not true. It's not true. He's only just trying to make fun so that you will laugh him. Come on.
Talk to me.
Even as he speaks, he has some in his pockets.
Are you sure? Okay.
No.
Let me
Dad,
search.
No.
Stand still, son.
Dad. No.
Stand still and let me. Stand still and let me search.
Oh, Dad. Come on.
Man.
Dad, it's...
Dad. What is this?
Dad, come on. Why are you behaving like this? I don't even know.
This is what you've been doing.
I don't even know. I don't even know how this thing get into my pocket.
Can you hold this here? Eh?
Dad, you pour water on me.
Yes! I will pour water on you. I will pour water on you. I will pour water on you.
Oh, come on, Dad.
What?
I'm behaving like this.
So, this is what I have been wasting my money on all these years. What? So, this is what... God in heaven. God in heaven.
He said, can I go?
Yes. You go. But try to avoid him. Eh? And call me my wife. Jesus Christ. Makopon, my son. Jesus.
Flossie, what is this? What's happening? Where are you going?
For 2 nights in the street. Not even a hard one.
But Flossie, you know I love romance. I love to play romance, eh?
Let me be.
Where are you going?
Mr. Minister, I love sex. I love sex.
But I love romance.
Don't touch me.
Oh, don't do that. Let's do romance, okay?
Take it.
Flossie, where are you going?
No, my bag was. Julius, this is not fair, okay? This would be my 3rd abortion. in the last 6-7 months or so. Julius, I can't do this. I can't, okay?
Baby, just cope with me. See, you can't be a medical doctor with this pregnancy. Now tell me, have you forgotten that we have more plans ahead of us? Just say something. Say something, come on. Baby, why are you doing this to me?
Julius, I can't do this. I can't. Remember how I nearly lost my life as a result of the last one I did? I can't. Please.
Baby, the doctor I'm talking about here is a gynecologist. He's far better than...
Please! I am not interested, okay?
Why are you doing this to me? Is it what I'm doing is for your own good? Baby. You have to understand me. You see, we have so many plans that we want to. You see, just cope with me. Just understand me, yeah.
Don't be serious. Your boss won't do anything. Just behave like a man. Stop this.
What is the meaning of this? Why are you wiping the car now? What were you doing all night?
Sir, I'm sorry. I was a little busy last night.
Busy? Busy doing what? What were you doing?
Honey,
Busy doing what?
honey, this is not the time to unleash your anger on the boy. Eh? He said he was busy. That means he was busy.
Give me my keys. Give me my keys. Give me my keys.
Good morning, Amanda. How are you?
Thank you. Sir, let me know waste of time. Please, when you arrive at your office today, look under your chair before sitting. Your enemies are at work to destroy you.
I should look under my chair before sitting.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Thank you. Emmanuel said is true. I see. Let me see what it said. It's exactly what my enemies are up to.
I'm by special grace. Stella, can I ask you a question?
A question? Go ahead. You can ask me anything. If I know the answer, I will tell you.
Is this your fifth time of aborting a pregnancy?
What did you say? What did you say?
I said, is this your fifth time of aborting a pregnancy? Please. It has been poisoned.
What do you mean? What did you say?
Your daughter here does not poison my drink.
Oh, Emmanuel.
That is a lie.
Emmanuel.
If she denies, let her take a sip.
Are you sure? Stella. What he's saying, is it true?
That is not true. How can I poison a drink?
Can you poison your drink? Alright.
Let her take a sip.
Alright, you take a sip.
Dad, I have mine already. I have mine.
Alright, then I will take it.
This drink is for you, man. It's not for me. Have it.
Stella, if you won't allow me to sip it, then you sip it.
Dad, I have mine.
Oh God. Stella. 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 Ah! Stella, you too? What devil has gotten into you? Stella! What has he done? Why? Why in God's name do you want to poison him? Oh, Stella.
That is not true.
What is not true? Sip it! Sit down and sip it. Take it. Clear out of my sight. Get out. Look at you. Shame. Shame. Bloody shame. So disappointed in you. Why?
I'm warning you, take your time. Take your time.
What are you going to do?
Stella, are you sure of what you're saying?
Mom, you know I've never lied to you before. Almost every other night, he comes to have me in my dreams.
Oh God. This boy is evil. I knew it. He is evil.
Well, since Dad is not willing to let him leave, I've decided to leave to avoid any embarrassment.
Please. God forbid. This house belongs to your father and not his. He would rather leave.
Then you better do something fast. Because if you don't, I'm going to leave this house.
I will. Save your breath. I will.